Uzima Aid is a non-profit organization putting a smile on school kids with basic food in semi-arid areas of rural Kenya.
My name is Nicholas Juma and I'm the founder of Uzima Aid. Uzima Aid is a Kenyan non-profit aid organization that actually focuses on making a difference in the lives of children. We are glad that as an organization we can come and touch their lives. Some of them are coming from dysfunctional homes.
School feeding program is a very important. It's very, very important because if we give them food, all these children will be coming. We shall not have children leaving school before time. Otherwise, this lack of food has made children stay at home. They don't even come to school always, and this has really affected them. So if we got somebody who can give them something like this, something to eat like this, it will make the standards of the school go up, the enrollment will go up, and everybody around will be happy, and children will also enjoy learning.
And one thing that I really am looking forward to is to be able to feed these children Monday to Friday, every school day, from January to December.
It is usually assumed that schools that are in such a places where we have farms, where we plant maize, that children are fed. And the reality that I can give you from our experience here in the field is that totally some children come to school and they are not able to eat, and when it is lunchtime they have to sit in the field, lie there because they have nothing to eat. Not that they are not going home, but because they know when they go home there is something called no food, and therefore they do not go home. Instead they remain in school and drink some water which we have made available in our schools.
And I believe that there are corporates, there are businesses, there are individuals who can actually give a hand so that we can to enable these kids to eat and to just give them a smile. With these are just basic food, these beans and maize. This can help them, and I believe that we can make a difference. No child in Kenya should be able to stay without food. No single child should be able to die of malnutrition. I believe time has come for us to make a difference in children's lives. If you're there as a company, you're there as individuals, you're there even as foreign institutions, you can make a difference even as you partner with Uzima Aid.